In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Notion, get to the page you want, and share it the right way, whether you're inviting specific people, copying a link, or publishing it for anyone to view. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and sign in if you're not already. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page you want to share. You can find it from the sidebar, search for it, or open it from your recent pages. Make sure the page itself is open so you can see its title and content. That way, the sharing options will apply to this exact page. Now look to the top right of the page and click the Share button. This is the hub for all sharing methods in Notion. Here you have a few straightforward choices. If you want to give access to specific teammates or collaborators, use the Invite option. Enter their email addresses, then choose the permission level that matches what you need, typically view only for stakeholders, comment access for reviewers, or edit access for collaborators. Being intentional with permissions helps keep your content safe while still enabling the right contributions. If you prefer to share a link, you can copy the page link from the same panel. Depending on your workspace settings, you may need to enable link sharing or share to web first so the link works for people outside your workspace. Copy the link, paste it into your message or document, and you're set. This is a great choice for quick updates, client previews, or whenever you don't want to manage individual invites. If you want the page to be publicly viewable, you can publish it from the same share panel. Turning on publishing makes the page accessible to anyone who has the link, and you can usually fine-tune options like whether people can duplicate the page into their own workspace. Publishing is ideal for documentation, portfolios, or guides you want to share broadly. Before you close the share panel, take a moment to review your choices. Confirm the right people have the right access and double-check whether the link is meant to be private, shared to web, or fully published. When you're happy with the settings, you're done. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, go to your page, click Share, and choose whether to invite, copy a link, or publish. Keep these options in mind the next time you need to collaborate quickly or share information with confidence.